morning everyone. I am Priya from BCom 5th semester is here to analyze a new launching of energy drink company whose name is XYZ Private Limited. It is a new energy drink brand who has entered a very competitive market whose main competitors are Red Bull, Monster. And it is these two brands are the established brand with who this company has to compete with. So it has separated its market by targeting the young professionals and athletes as a customer. And so here in this case we will analyze its marketing mix. Mainly marketing includes 4 P's, that is first product, place, price and promotion. So first we will talk about the product. The main challenges this company is facing with the product is how to differentiate its product from the other brand, which is established. So the strategy it has adopted is by making it a healthier alternative. After COVID, it is analyzed that customer and as a consumer we want a more healthier option in everything. So as a young professional you want something healthier as an alternative. So it has differentiated its product by making it by including the ingredients such as ginseng tea, green tea extract and such as organic caffeine and other ingredients. Second challenge is it is facing with the price. How to make a reasonable price so that the customer can easily purchase its product. So the strategy it has adopted is like middle pricing by keeping the price below than Red Bull but more than other competitors. How can we make a premium product at a reasonable price? So few other things that we can do, such as production cost, lower the production cost. How can we lower our production cost? It can be done by using modern technology. Third challenge it faces with the affordability, that is called place. How affordability, as other brand is already established one, so it has marketed or advertised its products in a way that customers are more attracted to it. So one of the most important challenge is like making it visible to the customers. So how can we how can we promote this? So we can promote their products by launching a social campaign and by adopting reference policy, which is and giving it has given free samples to the gym. Many young professionals go to the gym, so it's a very and the outcome that we have faced, that we have got after implementing all the strategy. So product becomes a healthier option. So it obviously attracted the customer who opt for the healthier option. Second, it has fixed its price in a way that is slightly lower than its competitor, but at the same time it is reasonable and the customers can afford it very easily. And how the promotion of the brand help the product in the sales growth. We can promote our products by making its packaging attractive, and by launching social campaign, and by attracting all the young professionals. So by analyzing this case, we can conclude that first we can conclude that this company was a risk taker. Even though many options and many competitors were there in the market, but this company took a risk and came into the market and compete with their competitors. It make its distribution, and with the help of pricing strategy, it increases the sales growth of its product.